Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of NetBoostify. With me again, Iqbal Fadil as a senior consultant here. In this video, I will show you how to create a page translation using a plugin. For the information, in our opinion, this is not the best option because you could have a page with a content with maybe no context because usually translation is not is and as easy as you are putting a new translated word into your original writing. So let's get started. In this video, I will show you my screen. We want to use the learn@boostify.com, and then in this installation, and then you could have a plugin. You could hover to plugins here after you arrive into your dashboard. Click plugins and then click add new. You could find a translation plugins. You could try translate. After you type translate, you could find several options here for translation. There is translate WordPress with GTranslate and logo translate, or many options here. But in our opinion, that we already have tried, this one is one of the best one because the translate WordPress with GTranslate has a lot of reviews here. It is more than 2,000 reviews here with 300,000 active installations. And it's not really too late update because it's updated as of 1 month ago, and you could click install now. By having this one, you could have a button here with the drop down. You could click which page in the page, which language that you want to use for a better understanding. And then after plugin activated, after you install it, you would scroll down and find the GTranslate and click settings. Okay, and then you could find the widget options here. How the widget look, nice drop down with flags or only flags and drop down, or many options here, but we recommend you to use the nice drop down with flags. You could take a look to the preview here, flags and drop down maybe, or maybe you could use the drop down only. One select language or anything, and then you could find what is the original language of your page. You could find it, and then you could check several language for you to translate here. If you are an advanced user, you could use a widget code. You could modify the code, but it is already warned by the developer. Do not copy this into your post or pages. But I don't really recommend you if you don't really into technical aspect. So you could just check the language that you want to make a translation from your language, because this example live website is in English. So because it is in English, it is as easy as let it be in English, and you could find other options here. And then, okay, after you finish the settings, you could click Save Changes. Okay, changes saved, and you could find the log here. Take the sample page maybe. Okay, maybe for better experience, we could purge all caches. Cage because maybe it has a cage here, and then we could log out. See, is there any? No. Okay, it's not. It's not already activated. We could go back to the GTranslate, show in menu known, and then show floating language. Okay, this one. You should have this one to ensure the selector. You could put on the bottom left maybe, and you could click Save Changes, and we could go back to our site here. So this one, the floating one, okay, this one. So you could change into Italian. So it is as easy as changing the page language into another language. So don't forget to put the show floating language selector here, because if you don't pick this one, you will not find the selector. And then you could show the native language name if you think it's needed. Oh no, sorry. Pardon me, it is about the native language names for the selector. If it is too difficult for you because you don't really know the language that you want to translate into, you could let the box unchecked. Okay, that's all for the translation using a plugin. So we really recommend you to have maybe a proper translate. What we really mean by the proper translate is the translate with context. If you have the translated pages into another language from your original language using the translation plugins, please take a look to every details, because maybe the visitors don't understand about the content of your website due to it is not really understandable, due it is out of context on when it is translated into the new language, or maybe it is not really understandable. It's not really understandable by the readers because it is has no any correct tenses. Maybe it just like in English. That's all for this video. Hopefully it is helpful for you to have a language selector just like this one. Thank you for watching. See you in another video. Bye.